The mass of the Sun is 333,000 times Earth's mass. Diameter, 109 times Earth's diameter. Temperature is 5,500 degrees Celsius and 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. What if a massive solar flare came in contact with Earth? What would life be like on Earth if the sun burned out tomorrow? The first thing you'd notice is the darkness, and then you'd start to shiver from the cold. Without life-sustaining energy from the sun, plants would start to die, which would take away the food supply. From animals, before long, life would cease to exist in our world. The sun makes life on planet Earth possible, yet on the sun, it is impossible. The sun is a raging ball of burning gas with frequent eruptions called solar flares that can produce as much energy as 100 hydrogen bombs. The first thing we would take out would be a satellite. And then once we have no satellites, it would interrupt the credit card transactions. Also, we depend on satellite to use Wi-Fi, so then that means there would be no TV, no internet, and no one could really call anyone for help if there was trouble or fires or like a small earthquake or someone lit on fire. The Northern Lights, aka also called the Aurora Borealis, and the Southern Lights, Aurora Australis, appear when tiny particles stream out from the sun and hit Earth's atmosphere. The particles give off some of their energy to atoms and molecules of gases in the upper atmosphere, but the atoms and molecules cannot hold the energy. They quickly give it off as another kind of energy. The colors of light that we call the aurora, these lights occur most often around the North Pole and South Pole because the incoming particles have an electric charge. As the particles arrive, Earth's magnetic field guides them towards the poles. The solution to if there was a massive solar flare, we would go into bunkers underground. Then, when the solar flare was over, we would see what was left of the Earth and rebuild piece by piece the new world that we will soon call home.